Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate DaVinci Resolve license. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the program opens, click on DaVinci Resolve on Mac or File on Windows from the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Easy DCP, then select Request Licenses and Certificate. A new window will appear asking for your activation key. Enter the activation key that came with your DaVinci Resolve Studio purchase. Make sure you type the key correctly because it is case sensitive. After entering the key, click Activate. DaVinci Resolve will connect to the internet and verify your license. If the activation does not work, check your internet connection and make sure your firewall is not blocking the software. Once the verification is complete, you'll see a confirmation message showing that your license has been activated successfully. After that, restart DaVinci Resolve to start using the Studio features. Each activation key can be used on 2 computers. If you want to activate another device, repeat the same steps. And that's it. So that's basically how you can activate DaVinci Resolve license. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.